Imagine a child riding his bicycle. And a horse strutting inside a truck. The future of transportation isn't just evolution. It's utter madness. Get ready for a journey into the world of super trucks. "10 hours straight behind the wheel demands proper rest." Now, drivers can enjoy hotel-like comfort thanks to a new solution. A company is turning Volvo and Peterbilt trucks into mobile homes. This added space can extend to 4 meters and 80 centimeters. It's not just for sleeping, it's a compact apartment. The Peterbilt, for instance, has a shower, kitchenette, storage, and a sleeping area that becomes a dining space. This saves drivers time, money, and effort. No more hotel hunts or unhealthy meals. They get a home-like feel right behind the driver's seat. Yo, shipping costs are going through the roof these days. Money bags flying away? Pro drivers need trucks that are both super efficient and comfy, right? Enter the IVECO Ezway. This beast has been killing it since 2019, shaking up the heavy-duty transport game. And the Ezway NP? Mind-blowing. It's the first natural gas truck for international hauls, boasting a crazy 1,600 kilometers range. But it's not just about gas. This thing's sleek design cuts fuel consumption by 4%. Diesel options are available too for all you traditionalists winking face. Iveco loaded it up with goodies. Automated gear changes, cruise control, LED lights, a water tank with a soap dispenser, stay fresh, and even a fold-away table. And get this, Iveco. On services let you track the truck's performance like a boss. Fuel estimates, route planning, and a bunch of other practical stuff. All at your fingertips. 100%. 100. Boom! Crowned International Truck of the Year. 2025 by the expert jury, recognizing its game-changing tech. All-electric power, baby. It's packing batteries with over 600 kilowatt hours, hitting a range of 500 kilometers on a single charge. And while some doubters are like, is that range really enough? Component placement, Mercedes-Benz is hitting back. 60% of their long-haul Euro customers are cruising within that range. Plus, electric vehicles are kicking internal combustion engines to the curb when it comes to cost-effectiveness. German experts say you could be pocketing $102,405 in fuel savings per year, driving 120,000 kilometers. That is some serious cash for a beast weighing in at 44 tons gross vehicle weight. The Vikings TV show, total smash hit with viewers. We're talking over 100 nominations and more than 40 awards snagged. Inspired by all that awesomeness, a Swedish client commissioned some experts to transform a regular Scania top-line truck into a one-of-a-kind engineering masterpiece. First thing you notice? The insane artwork all over the truck. It's decked out with pics of the show's main characters and painted in colors that vibe perfectly with the leather-clad interior. And inside the cab? Whoa, there's even more to be hyped about. The client, totally channeling that Viking spirit, added some seriously badass warrior touches. Display goals? But it's not just about historical cool. The truck's also loaded with modern comforts like a TV and custom lighting. When comfort and luxury are non-negotiable on those epic road trips, Bolt Custom Trucks drops the mic with the 2024 Artemis 17 S1. This beast blends serious power with ridiculous luxury. Built on Volvo VNR, Freightliner Cascadia, and Western Star chassis, it's rocking a 600 horsepower Detroit engine, guaranteeing you power and reliability, no question. It's stretching out to about 12 meters long, giving you tons of space to live that number van life in style. Inside, get ready. Induction cooktop, a dedicated dining area, 10 centimeters of insulation for ultimate peace and quiet. Seriously, plus a 10 kilowatt diesel generator to keep the power flowing. And the interior layout? It's flexible, so you can customize that space to fit your vibe. And after a long day of crushing miles, kick back and binge your fave shows like maybe some Vikings on a 43-inch smart TV. This thing is the biggest, heaviest motorhome ever to come out of the Brabus tuning studio. We're talking 12 meters long and weighing in at a massive 26 tons. It totally lives up to its name, inspired by those American big boy locomotives from the 1940s, which were like 40 meters long. Inside, you've got 30 square meters of living space. Check it. A 47-inch screen, even bigger than previous models. Perfect for epic gaming sessions with the built-in Sony PlayStation 5. And get this, a Starlink antenna for blazing fast internet. This rolling palace is built on a Mercedes-Benz Actros truck platform and powered by a 6-cylinder turbo diesel engine, pumping out 530 horsepower. But hold up, top speed? Only 90 kilometers per hour. Because with a masterpiece like this, it's all about enjoying the journey, not the destination, right? Ford, the Auto Titan, keeps blowing drivers' minds with its insane rides. Take the F-Max truck, for example. It hit the production line in 2018 and snagged the International Truck of the Year 2019 award. Ford spent 5 years and $423 million developing this beast. One of its standout features? A 2.5 meter wide cabin that contains 2 beds and a refrigerator. So huge. That ads show a kid on a bike, and get this, even a horse moving around inside. It is also packed with next-level tech, like blind spot monitoring, traffic sign recognition, and even a breathalyzer test system. It's powered by a 500 horsepower engine with a fuel tank of 1,050 liters. Mack Trucks is all about building trucks that are both luxurious and cost-effective. The Mack Anthem, for example, slashes total fuel costs by, get this, 13.5% compared to rivals like Kenworth. That's mostly down to its super aerodynamic design and, of course, its awesome engine. It offers engines ranging from 345 to 505 horsepower, and it transforms waste exhaust into extra torque. Beyond saving fuel, the driver benefits from the Command Steer system for assistance with the steering, which reduces strain by 30% and makes the driving less demanding by, wait for it, 85%. And check this out. Drivers can chill in a huge space with a 2 meter and 20 centimeter high ceiling, with options like a fridge, bed, TV, and even a closet. When you're looking for a truck that can handle anything, KAMAZ is a no-brainer. First hitting the scene back in 1995, it's been a huge success. They've made over 100,000 of these beasts, and it was the best-selling truck in Russia in 2017. This thing combines a 6-wheel drive system with a 260 horsepower engine, giving it insane off-road performance. And with recent upgrades, it's even more efficient. Service intervals are up by 80% compared to similar models, which seriously cuts down on maintenance costs. And get this! In its camper van version, KAMAZ offers a full-on experience with 7 beds, plus, wait for it, the ability to tow a sauna trailer. Talk about mixing comfort and innovation on every trip. Finally, welcome to the Power Truck Show. one of the biggest truck events in Finland and Northern Europe. This event was the launching pad for the Scania 770SXXL, which was a huge milestone for the Swedish auto giant. On the left side of the cabin, you can see the Scania 110 Super, while the right side showcases a Scania R164. And get this, stretching the cabin by an extra meter gave the artists a ton of space to get creative during customization. Plus, they loaded this truck up with a longer sun visor and some other sleek new features, making it a total masterpiece that blends power and beauty in the trucking world. So, what do you think of these insane mobile mansions? Let us know your favorite in the comments below. And if you're blown away by the future of trucks, smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Don't miss out.